Okay you guys, so that was my video for today. I'm quite happy with the look. I'm actually quite happy with the foundation. I wasn't actually expecting it to turn out quite as nice as it has. The only problem I think for me is that I think I kind of went maybe like one shade too light, so I'd probably maybe go out and buy like another shade or the next shade after this. This one is actually 130. And I also got the concealer as well to match. The concealer on the other hand, not really, probably won't use that again. I just didn't find it was that brilliant. It does say that it's a full coverage concealer, but I mean, I put 2 coats on there and I could still see my dark circles. Back to the foundation, I did end up putting 2 coats of that on, just to get a bit more of like a full coverage, but I don't mind that at all. Obviously you want the foundation to cover straight away with only 1 coat, but it doesn't bother me, like I'd use it again, even if I had to put 3 coats of it on. And also I did use a beauty blender today, and I don't usually use a beauty blender to apply my foundation. It was something that I've been wanting to try for a while, so I thought perfect try it today with a new foundation, and not gonna lie, it wasn't actually as bad as I was expecting it to be. It is a little damp, as they say to damp it a bit. This was actually from Primark. It was in like a pack of 2 that I got from Primark, and it was just £2. I did also buy another pack of beauty blenders as well. It's probably got about 5 different ones in, and that's where the little one came about. And I do also use a beauty blender to put my setting powder on as well. But it's not too bad. I thought I'd just do something a bit more of like just work a bit more on my eyeliner look, and so I just did like a little feline flick on my eye using the Kat Von D tattooliner, which is like one of the best liners. I did also use the Soap & Glory SMOULDER KOHL just to give it a bit more of a darkened under eye as well. And I lost my smudge brush. I don't know what I've done with it, where I put it. So I did just use like a really tiny eyeshadow brush just to smoke it out a little bit. So yeah, I'm quite happy with the look. I thought I'd finish the look with the Lottie London Slay All Day matte liquid lipstick, and that is in the shade Low Key, just to add that pop of colour, because red and black just go together perfectly. And so I am really happy with the look for that reason. I did put quite a bit of bronzer on just to kind of to darken my face up a bit and give it a little bit more dimension as well. I just find that I was getting a lot of paleness through the viewfinder when I was filming earlier. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so just comment down below whether you've tried the MUA Pro Base foundation and concealer. I'd love to see what you actually thought about the pairing of them, and what you thought about the concealer as well. If you did like the video, then please give it a big thumbs up. It really does help. And also subscribe. Did I say that right? I think I did. Subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I do upload every Sunday and every Wednesday. Also, head over to my Instagram account and also my Twitter account for more photos, reviews, and until next time guys, take care!